Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new topic. So the name of the topic is languages of the world. So everyone in the world communicates through languages. So some languages are spoken in more than one country. For example, we can say English, which has come from Europe. We learn many things in the language English, and it is used in India as well as almost all of the world. So the same languages are all sometimes used in more than one country. And we can hear different languages spoken at an airport or at busy tourist spots. So when you travel from at an airport or at a railway station, you can hear different languages spoken by different types of people. So we can say that mostly we can see people speaking different types of language when you go for a trip or at the tourist places. So today we will see some of the languages of the world. Which are the languages of the world? Now see in the textbook, see they have given saying thank you is good manners. There is a word to say thank you in every language. So every language there is a word to say thank you. In English we say thank you. Same way there are many other languages. A word used is thank you. You can see Portuguese, Dutch, French, Hawaiian, Italian, Russian, Spanish. So different types of languages are shown here. So we will see what they are pronounced, what thank you is pronounced in their language. So see in the violet color Portuguese. So thank you is called in the Portuguese language obrigada. It is called obrigada. Now see the next one in blue color Dutch. In Dutch thank you is called dank u. You can see the spelling itself. It is called dank u. Now see in the yellow color French. It is called thank you is called merci. It is called merci. You can see the spelling in French. Thank you is called merci. Now see in Hawaiian language thank you is called mahalo. It is called mahalo in Hawaiian language. Thank you is called mahalo. Now in Hungarian language thank you is called kosi, or it is called as köszönöm. It is called kosi or it is called as köszönöm. So in Russian language thank you is called spasibo. It is called as spasibo. In Italian language thank you is called grazie. It is called grazie. In Tahitian language thank you is called maururu. It is called maururu. In Faroese language thank you is called tak. It is called tak. In Spanish language thank you is called gracias. It is called gracias. In Polish language thank you is called dziękuję. It is called dziękuję. Now in Czech language thank you is called děkuju. It is called děkuju. In German language thank you is called danke. It is called danke. In Finnish language thank you is called kiitos. It is called kiitos. Okay children, I think so you have got some pronunciation of the different languages, that are what thank you is called in different languages. Now see the fun time part. What you have to do is arrange the following names of languages in the alphabetical order. So they have given some of the names of languages, that is Japanese, Sanskrit, Malay, Russian, Korean. So what you have to do, see the first alphabet, so which will come in ascending order. See now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So first one is J. So that will come Japanese. So you can write first one Japanese. Now see next K, that is second one is Korean. So write down second one Korean. Now after J, K, L, M. M will come, that is Malay. Now next one M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R is there. So next is Russian. So write fourth one Russian. Last one is S, that is Sanskrit. So you can write fifth one Sanskrit. Okay children, now see the second part. What language do I speak? They have given some of the, you can see some of the children's images. So they have given their name and from which country they have come. So we have to choose which language do they speak in that country. And they have given the puzzle. With the help of this image and with the help of the clue, we have to write the languages in the puzzle box. Now see the first one. Use the clues to find out which language these children speak. Now see the first one. My name is Maria and I come from Spain. So what language in Spain people speak? So they speak Spanish language. So first one you can see it should be written cross. So you can write in the first one, number 1 in the puzzle box it is given. So you can write there S-P-A-N-I-S-A-S-H Spanish. Now see the second image. In the second one it is given my name is Sophia and I come from France. So in the France people speak French language. So this child has come from French. Now see the second one. Second one, it should be written down. You can see F it is written already. So you can continue there. F-R-E-N-C-H, French. Now see the third one. My name is Sarut and I come from Thailand. So which language do Thailand people speak? They speak the language called it is Thai. T-H-A-I, Thai. So you can see third one. It should be written cross. T-H-A-I. It is not down. It should be written cross. Third one T-H-A-I, Thai. Now see the fourth one. My name is Lisa and I come from the Netherlands. So Netherlands people, they speak the language, it is called Dutch. So fourth one you can write it is down, D-U-T-C-H. Fourth one already D is given, so you can write complete D-U-T-C-H. So see the fifth image. My name is Lena and I come from China. So which language do Chinese people speak? So the language called is Mandarin. It is called Mandarin. So fifth one you can see it is cross. It should be written cross. M is already written, so you can continue M-A-N-D-A-R-I-N, Mandarin language. Now see the next image, that is sixth one. Sixth one, my name is Omar and I come from Egypt. So Egypt people, they speak Arabic language. So you can see sixth one, it should be written down. See the sixth number, A is written already. So you can continue there, A-R-A-B-I-C, Arabic language. Now see seventh one, my name is Antonio and I come from Italy. So which language Italy people speak? So the language spoken by Italy is Italian. So you can see seventh number, I is written there. So you can continue writing I-T-A-L-I-A-N, Italian. So it is Italian. Now see the eighth one, my name is Praveen and I come from India. So we all know what is the language of India. That is eighth one you can see. Is written. So Indian people speak so many language and India's national language is Hindi. So you can write eighth one H-I-N-D-I, Hindi. It is cross. You can see in the eighth H is written, so H-I-N-D-I. See the ninth one. My name is Rolf and I come from Germany. So the Germany people, they speak the language is German. So ninth one you can write it is cross. G is already written, so G-E-R-M-A-N, German. Now see the last one. My name is Nikki and I come from Greece. So this is the last one. My name is Nikki and I come from Greece. So Greece people, they speak the language, it is called Greek. So see the 10th one, it is down. G is already written, G-R-E-E-K. G-R-E-E-K. Okay, so the puzzle is complete now. So you have to learn the spelling of the languages and from which country it belongs. Okay children, now see the exam portions, that is for the second term. For final exam, your GK portions will be from lesson number 1, that is from cactus plants. to lesson number 16, that is popular fairy tales. So by the next class this lesson also will get over. So 1 to 16 lessons will be there for your final exam. So study, there is no any question answers, you have to study, fill the blanks like same like last time, match the following and name the following as well as identify the pictures. So your lesson portion is from lesson number 1, that is from cactus plants, to lesson number 16, that is popular fairy tales. So you have to learn the fill in the blanks, match the following, name the following and identify the pictures. If you have any doubt on these lessons or on any portions, you can call and ask me. Okay children, that's it for today. Thank you.